In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Norton Toolbar in Google Chrome. If you're already using Norton for your internet security, adding this toolbar to Chrome can enhance your browser's safety and provide you with instant access to many Norton features. So, let's get started. First off, you're going to need to navigate to the Norton app on your device. You can do this by clicking on your Norton application icon, typically found in your system tray, or via the desktop shortcut if you have one. Opening Norton will bring you to the main dashboard, which is your central hub for all Norton features and settings. Once you're on the main Norton dashboard, look for the Settings tab. The Settings tab allows you to manage various aspects of the Norton application, ranging from scanning options to more advanced features. It's essential to know that any changes you make here can cater the experience to your specific needs. After clicking on Settings, the next step is to find and select the Features option. The Features section is your gateway to managing which Norton features you'd like to enable or adjust. This area allows you to customize your security suite, ensuring it works efficiently based on your preference and usage. Within the Features menu, you need to locate the Browser Extensions category. Clicking here will lead you to a list of available extensions that Norton offers. These extensions are pivotal as they enable Norton to integrate directly within your browser, providing real-time security alerts and additional protection against malware and phishing attempts. When you're in the Browser Extensions section, the next thing you want to do is find Google Chrome from the list of supported browsers. Norton provides extensions for various browsers, but since today's focus is on Chrome, selecting it will ensure you're accessing the right resources. Clicking on Google Chrome here will bring up the Norton Toolbar specific to Chrome. Norton Toolbar provides an extra layer of security and convenience by integrating various features like Safe Web, identity protection, and more directly into your browser experience. After selecting Chrome, Norton will guide you through the installation process for the toolbar. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. It's usually straightforward, involving permissions approval and perhaps a browser restart. But this ease of use means you'll have the toolbar up and running in no time. And there you have it, a fully operational Norton Toolbar added to your Google Chrome browser. This addition enhances your browsing experience by keeping you safer online, with easy access to vital security features. As always, keep your software updated to take advantage of the latest security patches and enhancements. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.